Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to see the new topic grammar and vocabulary. Kindly note learning objectives to apply the skill of vocabulary, to revise capitalization and use of full stops, to enhance their sight vocabulary, to revise singular and plural nouns. Children, let us go to the textual page, page number 64. Grammar and vocabulary. I act. Question number 1. Pick one word from each box and make new words. Now children, let us make a compound word. For that, I have made two groups of words. Now, we have to pick one word from each side and make a new word or a compound word. Children, let us start the activity. First, I'll take butter. Now, let us make a compound word butterbird. Can we make it? Butterbird. Is there any word like this? No. So we will replace it. Butterman? No. Butterflower? No. Butterday? No. Butterberry? No. Buttercoat? No. Butterbow? No. Let us try the last one word. Butterfly? Yes. So, butterfly is the new compound word which we made using a word from each columns or sides. Let us make another compound word. I will take first sun. Sunbird? No. Sunman? No. Sunflower? Is there any word like sunflower? Yes. Sunflower is a new compound word. This is how you have to make compound words using the words from each sides. And complete the question number 1 by your own. Now let us go to the next question number 2. Make small words with the following big word. Now children, let us make a small word using the letters from the big word. Let us read first. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. It is a name of a large animal. Now, let us start with the letter S. First, I will take here letter S. T O P. S T O P. Stop. A small new word. Let us make second one new word. First, I will take A, then I M. M. M meaning is goal. Now children, this is how you have to use the letters from this big word and make small new words. For that, take small size 12 sheets, write the letters H, I, P, P, O, P, O, T, A, M, U, S and make new words and write in your textbook and complete the question by your own. Now children, let us go to the next question. Question number 3. Write some of the new words that you have learnt until now. Children, here I have made a word tree. Even you can make a word tree at your home. It will be helpful to remember the new words which we learnt until now. And at the end of the year, we will get the tree with full of new words. Children, complete the question number 3 by your own. Let us go to the next question. Question number 4. Choose any 5 new words that you have learnt in this unit and make sentences with them. Children, once again here you can take help of the word tree to find out the new words which we learnt in this unit. Children, first write 5 new words which we learnt in this unit and make sentences by your own. Now children, let us go to the next page, page number 65. Question number 5. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you like to travel and why? Draw and describe. Children, if you get a chance to travel anywhere in the world, where would you like to travel and why? Draw and write or describe about it. Do it by your own. Let us go to the next bit, sight words. Look at the words given below. Put a smiley next to the words you can read correctly. Children, at the first, ask your parent to listen you. Read the given words and put a smiley face symbol to the words you can read or pronounce correctly. Let us go to the next page, page number 66. I revise. Children, we learnt about punctuation marks in our earlier video. Let us revise once again. Punctuation marks. A sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now children, let us see few examples. My sister has gone to Pune. Let us punctuate the sentence. First letter should be capitalized. My sister has gone to Pune. Pune is a name of a city, so it is a proper noun. So first letter will be the capital letter Pune. End of the sentence, full stop. Let us see the second one example. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So let us start to punctuate the sentence. First letter will be capitalized. Children, here Mumbai is also a proper noun and the sentence also start with Mumbai. So first letter will be capitalized. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. It is a name of state, so it is a proper noun, so it will be capitalized. Maharashtra. End of the sentence, full stop. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Understood, dear children? Question number 1 on page number 66. Rewrite the following sentences and punctuate them using capital letters and full stops. Capitalize proper nouns. Children, complete the question by your own. Children, remaining part of this topic we will see in the next video. Children, here we will stop. Let us meet in the next e-learning class. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.